About to apply to one of our courses? We're here to support you throughout the application process, right up until your first day in college. You can track your application at every stage via your online account, keeping you up to date throughout the process. Firstly, we will check your current or predicted qualifications against the entry criteria for your chosen course. You'll then be made an offer which you'll need to accept. You won't need to do anything more until we invite you into enrolment, which usually starts around mid to late August. Don't worry if you didn't get the grades you were hoping for. We can explore your options and help you find a course that's right for you. If you haven't already, come along to one of our open events where you can see the campus, meet our tutors and find out more about the courses available. If you have any questions about your application, our team are here to help. You can chat to us online, call us or email admissions@coleggwent.ac.uk. We look forward to receiving your application.